Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from your Android devices to your iOS device. So simply put, I have one way for you, quickest way for you to use it is going to be via this application called Share It. Because if you open your App Store right there, this should be the landing page of App Store. And with this one, this is going to be the application, right? Now pay attention on my Android device right now, on the Play Store right now, this is going to be Share It. Make sure you have it installed on both devices and then click on open. Now this is just like an airdrop. That's mostly a universal airdrop, right? Because Android doesn't have an airdrop, and I think you can transfer via Bluetooth on iOS photos to videos. Anyways, click on allow right there, click on agree and continue, click on next, keep clicking on next, allow storage right there. So the only downfall with this app is it has a little bit of what do you call it, ads, right? Don't allow right there, making sure everything's good. Now with this one, since we're transferring from Android to iOS, on iOS click on receive, and then on Android click on send. Allow once right there, click on allow, give it a second, click on send again, and then send file. I'm gonna send a photo. Choose photo session right there, and then simply wait for it to load. And as you can see right here on the iOS device, it has a connect to Android. Click on connect to Android right there and just wait for it to go. I'm just send this sample photo right here, and then grant permission, click on next, give it a second right there, click on open, okay, click on next right there. Everything should be good to go. Let me just look for share it to allow some permission right here. Now those are the only downfall of this application, so click on next again, only this time scanning for ver, and then connect to iOS, click on continue. Now I'm gonna scan from my iOS to my Android right now, and then share it wants to join, click on join, unable to connect network. Now this is because of the traffic right now on my Wi-Fi, because there's a lot of going on. However, this is actually a 100% proof if only there isn't a lot of users on your Wi-Fi. So again, with that being said, that's how you transfer your photos from your Android to iOS. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Have a safe one, guys.